Welcome to this guide on Toyota Verso S key fob battery replacement. This video will walk Toyota Verso S owners from 2011 to 2013 through a simple DIY replacement process. Dealer services for this repair can cost between $50 and $100 in 2026, but the process is straightforward and saves you money. You'll need just a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin to complete this replacement. The Toyota Verso S key fob uses a standard CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This small, round battery powers the remote functions. This CR2032 battery has several key characteristics. It's a non-rechargeable lithium battery with a long life of 1 to 3 years under normal use. It also has a very low self-discharge rate of less than 1% per year. While other batteries like the CR2025 might physically fit in the key fob, the CR2032 is the recommended type for optimal performance and reliability. CR2032 batteries are widely available at most stores and online retailers. As of 2026, they typically cost between $2 and $3 each. To open the Toyota Verso S key fob, start by locating the seam where the two halves of the casing meet. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the casing at this seam. The casing is held together by clips, not screws, so apply even pressure. For a gentler approach that prevents scratches, use a guitar pick instead of a screwdriver. Once separated, you'll have the two casing halves ready for battery replacement. The battery compartment is now open. First, remove the old CR2032 battery from the key fob. Remove the old battery carefully to avoid damaging the contacts. Now insert the new CR2032 battery. The positive plus side must face up for correct orientation. Ensure the battery is securely seated in the slot before closing the fob. Now snap the key fob casing back together, making sure all clips are securely fastened to hold it in place. With the casing snapped shut, test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure the car responds. If the car locks and unlocks as expected, the battery replacement was successful. If not, refer to the troubleshooting section. If the key fob doesn't work after battery replacement, check for common issues like corroded contacts or a faulty transceiver chip. For corroded contacts, which appear as visible buildup on the battery terminals, clean them with isopropyl alcohol. If the problem is a faulty transceiver chip, indicated by complete failure despite a good battery, professional help is needed. For more complex issues, a mechanic's diagnostic service costs $20 to $50 and can identify internal faults. Safety precautions are essential when handling the key fob battery. Wear gloves to prevent skin oils from damaging the electrical contacts. For disposal, properly recycle old batteries through electronic waste programs to comply with environmental regulations and protect the planet. Looking ahead, automotive technology is moving toward battery-free key fobs in newer models. Options like solar-assisted charging and eSIM connectivity are becoming common, reducing the need for battery replacements. However, the Toyota Verso S continues to use the standard CR2032 battery, so regular replacements remain necessary for this model. When your old fob needs replacement, consider repurposing it as a garage door opener for added utility. Stay tuned for more car maintenance tips by subscribing to our channel.